Hello students, myself Mrs. Sheetal Chauhan from New Catholic Mission School Jabwa. Welcome you all in your maths class. Today I am again here with the new chapter, chapter number 10, and the name of the chapter is Visualizing Solid Shapes. So children, you have learned about different types of shapes in your previous classes also. So today we have to discuss about solid shapes. But before learning about solid shapes, you should know about the plane figures also. So let's see one by one whatever you have learned in previous classes and whatever new things or new topics we have to see this year. So let's see first introduction of the chapter. So there are three types of shapes: one-dimensional shapes, two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. So one-dimensional shapes, shapes having only length. That means the shapes which have only length, this type of shapes are known as one-dimensional shapes. Example, a line. You know how to draw a line using the scale. So this is the example of one-dimensional shapes. Then second one is the two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes, that means plane figures having two measurements like length and breadth. So if length and breadth means shapes having this two type of measurement, like this scale we have length as well as breadth. So this type of two measurement whenever in the figure, then that type of shape are known as two-dimensional shape, and they are also known as 2D shapes or 2D figures. Example, polygon, triangle, rectangle, etc. And these two-dimensional figures generally are known as 2D figures. So this two-dimensional figure actually we can draw on paper. Okay, square you can draw easily, triangle you can draw, circle you can draw. So this type of figure which we can draw on a paper, they are two-dimensional figures or 2D shapes. Now next one is the three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so solid objects and shapes having length, breadth and height or depth. So this type of shapes are known as three-dimensional shapes. Okay, that means if the solids like this duster, so in this duster we are having three types of dimension, like its length. So this is its length, then this is its breadth, this is the height, this is the breadth and this is the length. So if the solid figure having length, breadth and height, then this type of shapes are known as three-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes. So actually these three-dimensional shapes are solid figure which we have to discuss in this chapter. So solid figures having three dimension, remember, length, breadth and height or depth. So their examples are cubes, cylinders, cone, cuboid, spheres, etc. So these are the examples of 3D shapes. So now you have clear the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. Okay. Now let's see about next topic, that is face. So whose face? Not our face. We are talking the face of these 3D shapes. Like this is a cube. Okay, you have seen the cube or cuboid. Various examples are there. Like this duster. Duster is the example of cube. So in this cube, this part, that is the flat surface of the three-dimensional figure, it is known as face. So this is the flat surface. Same way, this one is the flat surface, this one, then this side here in the bottom, then back side. These are all the flat surface which is known as the faces of the cube or cuboid. Now we can see just by an example, like this duster is in the shape of cuboid. Okay, so this is its flat surface. Okay, so this flat surface is the face of the cuboid. Then same way this is also the flat surface. Then this one is the top of the cuboid or top of the duster. This is the bottom of the duster and this is also flat. So this is also face. Then this one left face which is also in the flat surface form, and this is the right side. So there are total these faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way it has this number of faces. Then next one we have edge. Edge, that means the line segment where two faces of solid meet. अब जब दो faces meet होंगे by the line segment, that line segment is known as the edges of the given figure. For example, this line segment, this line segment, this line segment, this one, all the line segment which you are showing in the figure, these are the edges of the cube. Here also you can see this is the edges, this one, this one, this one. These are all edges of this duster or cuboid. Now next one is vertex. Vertex, its plural we say as vertices, because there are many. So vertex, that means the corner of the cube, like this corner point, this corner point, this corner point, this one, this one, this one, this one. This is all are known as the vertex, and in plural because they are many, so we can say that these are the vertices. So faces denote by F, edges denote by E, and vertices denoted by V. Okay. So this is all known as vertex. So a vertex we can define as a point where three or more edges meet. The three edges get meet, that point is known as its vertex. Then next definition we have polyhedron. Now what is polyhedron? So a polyhedron is again a three-dimensional figure. As we are talking about the solid figures, so these are all 3D shapes or 3D figures. So three-dimensional figures whose faces are all polygons. Okay, जिनके सारे जितने भी faces होंगे वो क्या होंगे? Polygons. That means in the shape of line segment. So a polyhedron is a three-dimensional figure whose faces are all polygons. Okay. Then prism. What is prism? A polyhedron whose bottom and top faces are congruent. Now you can see this figure. In this figure, the top and the bottom both are congruent. Congruent means exactly same. So in this polyhedron whose bottom and top faces are congruent and faces known as lateral faces. These are the lateral faces. These are in the shape of parallelograms. Okay. So this type of shape is known as prism. Then when the side faces are in the shape of rectangle, then that type of shape is known as right prism. Okay. Then next type of shape is pyramid. So a polyhedron whose base is a polygon but lateral faces are triangle. So here you can see the picture. In this picture, its base is in the shape of polygon. You can see this is made up of line segment. So this is in the shape of polygon and its side faces are in the shape of triangle. So this type of shape is known as pyramid. Okay. So this one are the definitions which we are going to use in the exercise. Next one is the Euler's formula. Now in this chapter you have to learn about one formula that is known as Euler's formula, and this formula is F plus V minus E equal to 2. This is the Euler's formula, where F denotes for number of faces, V denoted for number of vertices, and E denotes for edges. So that one formula we have to use in the exercise, and this formula is known as Euler's formula. Now next one topic you have mapping. Mapping means a map depicts the location of particular object or place in relation to the other objects or places. So what we are going to show in map? A map depicts the spatial or particular shapes or particular location or particular object in a short form. Like you have seen various map related to our state, related to city. So in the map in short form it is shown in the all the important places of the cities or various information which we want to know, that one in the form of map. So a map depicts the location of particular object or place. So this one all about the short introduction of the chapter. Now let's see exercise 10.1. Its question, now we are going to start exercise 10.1. Its question number first. Its first question is, for each of the given solid, the two views are given. Now match for each solid the corresponding top and front views. Now children, in solid shapes you have the views. Views means हम उसे किस तीन तरह से देख सकते हैं, है ना? Okay, views of solid shapes. So it is in the three way. First one is front view, then second one is the side view, and third one is the top view. So our question is also based on the views. So let's see one example. Now we are taking the example of matchstick. Okay, so in this matchstick, this is also a solid figure or solid shape. So this one part is the front part of the matchbox. Okay, so whenever you have to draw the front part, then you draw only this one part. Okay, then if we have to draw the side part of this matchbox, then you have to draw this one part, that means this rectangular part. Then if I tell you that draw its top view means ये ऊपर से कैसा दिखाई दे रहा है, then it will looking like this. So from this example you have clear, I think, that this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top view. Okay, so our question is also based on it. So you have to match the object according to their two view. Here two views are given, one is top and second one is front. Means this bottle is look like from side से ये bottle कैसा दिखेगा, in this way, and from top how it looks like. So from top it looks like in this way. So you have to match this one 3. Okay, so in the same way, second, this one is the weight of 5 kg. So from side it look like in this way, and if you see from the top, then it look like in this way. So you have to imagine that अगर हम object को side से देखेंगे तो वो किस तरह से दिख रहा है, ऊपर से देखेंगे top से तो वो किस तरह से दिख रहा है. So in this way you have to match this one figure. So this bottle, side view, top view, this weight, side view, this is top view, same way here also given. So in this way you have to draw it and match it. Then see its question number 2nd. In second question again, for each of the given solid, the 3 views are given. 3 views I explain you by giving example. Same 3 view we have to take here. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side views. So here you have given one almirah. अब almirah के आपको तीनों व्यू यहाँ पर given है. Okay, it is drawn already. You have to identify that which type of view it is. That means almirah का ये कौन सा part है? Which view it is? It is the front view. Okay. Then almirah का ये कौन सा view है? This is the side view. And this one is the top view of the almirah. So you have to mention here front, top and here front, side and top. Same way matchstick example I explain you. This is the side view, this one is the front view and this is the top view. So in this way whatever written here according to which you have to mention here. Okay. So here you have given, in this way you have to fill it there. Then various examples are given, so fill it according to the picture. Now see its question number 3rd. In 3rd question again you have given solid and identify which is the top view, front view and side view. Now like you have given this one figure, in this figure you have to identify. Now here first one you have to identify in which shape it is. Okay. So first one, how it looks like. अगर आप टॉप में ये आपको 3 दिख रहे हैं, 3 boxes. So this is which view? This is the top view. तो आपको यहाँ लिखना है this is the top view. Now side also it is showing 2 and front also showing it is 2. तो यहाँ आप या तो front लिखें और इधर साइड या फिर इधर साइड लिखें और इधर फ्रंट, बिकॉज बोथ आर लुकिंग एग्जैक्टली सेम, ओनली टॉप व्यू इज डिफरेंट. सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू फील that it is top view, front view or side view for different net. Okay, so different figures are showing here. So from looking this figure and feel here which type of view you are observing. Now let's see question number 4th. Now 4th question is draw the front view, side view and top view. Okay, here you have given a military tent. Now in the figure you have already mentioned, आपको mention किया हुआ है कि इसका front part कौन सा है. This is the front part. So you have to separately draw here. अब आपको यहाँ ड्रॉ करना है. इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन फिगर इज गिवन और आपको मेंशन करना था कि कौन सा फ्रंट है कौन सा टॉप है. नाउ हियर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. सो व्हेन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस फ्रंट पार्ट, देन इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रायंगल and this line you have to make. Then side view, this is the side view, and from top how it look like, that way you have to draw. So in this way we have to make front view. First we draw front, then top. अगर आप top से देखेंगे तो इस तरह से दिखेगा आपको वो इस shape में, and from side if you see then it looks like a rectangle. So you have to just imagine कि ये फिगर किस तरह से दिखेगा जब आप उसको टॉप से देखेंगे, साइड से देखेंगे या फिर फ्रंट से देखेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ सेम फॉर द टेबल and for weight. Okay, how it looks like. So now let's see exercise 10.2. Okay, so 10.1 get over. Now we have to see exercise 10.2 which is based on the mapping. Okay, so first question you have given, look at the given map of a city. अब आपको एक city का map यहाँ given है and you have to shown here hospital, primary school, secondary school, library and different types of roads. तो आपको इस मैप के अकॉर्डिंग आंसर देना है. ओके, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. सो फर्स्ट इज कलर द मैप. फर्स्ट वर्क आपको क्या करना है, मैप को कलर करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द कलर विच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. लाइक ब्लू कलर फॉर वाटर प्लांट. अब दिस इज द वाटर प्लांट, सो दैट पार्ट यू हैव टू fill it with blue color. Then red for fire station, so you have to search this fire station and color it with the red color. So in this way, read out whatever color is given, then fill it with the same color. Library fill with the orange color, hospital fill with the purple color, cemetery cemetery color with the brown color. Okay, so when you color it according to the question, then your map it look like in this way. Now its second part is mark a green X at the intersection of road C and Nehru Road. अब आपको क्या देना है, यहाँ पर X मार्क करना है. कहाँ पर, जहाँ पर इंटरसेक्ट हो रहे हैं रोड सी और नेहरू रोड. ओके, एंड ग्रीन Y, और Y कलर जो Y से आपको ड्रॉ करना है विथ ग्रीन कलर वेयर गांधी रोड एंड रोड A intersect. So first you have to search this road. So this is road C and this is Nehru Road. So you draw here X, and next one is Y where this road A and this one road, which one given here in the question, Gandhi Road and road A. So this is road A and this is Gandhi Road. So you have to draw here Y. Okay, so this is the answer of question number second. So here you draw Y, here you draw X. Then third one you have given in red, draw a short street from library to bus depot. लाइब्रेरी से बस डिपो तक आपको क्या करना है, रेड कलर से ड्रॉ करना है. तो ये शॉर्ट रोड लेना है आपको, है ना. सो दिस इज लाइब्रेरी, यहाँ नेहरू रोड, देन रोड सी एंड देन यू रीच अप टू बस डिपो. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज विच इज फर्दर ईस्ट, द सिटी पार्क और द मार्केट. अब आपको देखना है सिटी पार्क और मार्केट में से कौन ईस्ट में है. सो दिस इज सिटी पार्क एंड दिस इज मार्केट. सो विच इज इन द ईस्ट, सो सिटी पार्क. ओके, एंड लास्ट इट्स विच इज इन द फर्दर साउथ. साउथ डायरेक्शन में कौन है, प्राइमरी स्कूल और सेकेंडरी स्कूल. सो here which is in the south, secondary school, because primary school in north, this is in south. So between primary school and secondary school is in further south. Okay, so in this way you have to do mapping. Now in your book one or two question more are given related with the map. That one you have to do. In that question you have given draw the map of your school, okay, and the map of your classroom. तो you already know about your classroom कि क्या क्या है classroom में, benches, table, blackboard, window, door. So this all thing you have to cover it in a form of map, okay, and then you have to draw a map of your school building. So both the question you have to do it, okay, yourself. This is your homework. Now let's see exercise 10.3. First question is, can a polyhedron have for its faces? Now first one is three triangles. Question is is it possible that a polyhedron for its faces has three triangles? So answer is no. Such type of polyhedron is not possible. Why? Because a polyhedron has minimum number of faces are 4. So this type of polyhedron is not possible. Then next one you have given 4 triangles. So yes, A triangular pyramid has 4 triangular faces. Triangular pyramid में हमें 4 triangular faces possible है. Then next one is a square and 4 triangle. So in this type of figure, yes, because a square pyramid has also a square face होगा and the 4 triangular faces. So its first answer is no and second and third is yes. Okay, then see question number 2. Question number 2 is it possible to have a polyhedron with any given number of faces? So answer is a polyhedron has a minimum number of 4 faces. Polyhedron में minimum कितने faces होना चाहिए? At least 4. Okay, 4 faces. Now question number 3, which are prism among the following? अब आपको बताना है इनमें से कौन से प्रिज्म है. So first one is nail. So in nail the top and bottom both part are not same. So this is not look like a prism. Then unsharp pencil. Unsharp pencil you have seen its top and bottom both are in the shape congruent shape. दोनों का shape क्या होगा? Exact same. So this one we know in prism top and bottom faces are congruent. So this unsharp pencil are in the shape of prism. Okay. Then table weight, again it is no. Then box, again it is yes, because its top and bottom faces are congruent. So same is the reason given here. So first one is no, second yes, third no and fourth is again yes. Then next question, question number 6. Okay. Now in question number 6 you have to verify Euler's formula. Now in introduction I explain you what is Euler's formula. It is F plus V minus E equal 2. Okay. तो अगर आपको Euler's formula verify करना है, it means you have to prove that LHS equal RHS. Both should be same. So same thing we have to prove here. So first of all we should know its number of faces, its edges and vertices. So let's see now. See the first one figure. In first figure number of faces. So this one is the first face, this is second, third, fourth and bottom it is 5. Then यहाँ से एक face बनेगा that is 6 and from here also one face is made that is 7. So number of faces are 7. Then number of vertices. Vertices तो आपको corner point को count करना है. So these all corner points you have to count and one that back side also. So this is total number of vertices are 10. Now number of edges. Edges means the line segment. So this all line segment we have to count. तो जो front में आपको दिखाई दे रही है वो and same is the back side also, here also and that side also. So we have to count these all line segments. Okay. So when we count this all line segment then we get number of edges are 15. So now we have to apply this in the formula. So our formula is F plus V minus E equal 2. So faces are here 7, vertices are 10 and edges is 15. So 7 plus 10 it is 17 and 17 minus 15 it is 2 and right hand side is already mentioned it is 2 in the formula. That means LHS equal RHS. So Euler's formula is verified. So in this way we have proved that it is true for Euler's formula. Same is for figure second. In second figure you have given number of faces 9, vertices 9 and edges 16. So, we put the value in the formula. So, we are now let us see question number 7. So, here given using Euler's formula find the unknown. So, here you have given this table. In this table, first column you have to find faces, second column you have to find vertices, and in third column edges. So, we know Euler's formula is f plus v minus e equal 2. So, we have to put the value from this table. So, faces we do not know. So, we write f as it is, then vertices is 6 given, then edges is given 12. So, f plus 6 minus 12 equal 2. Now, 6 minus 12 it is minus 6. So, f minus 6 equal 2. Now, minus 6 you have to transpose right hand side. So, it is f equal 2 plus 6, that is 8. So, face we get here 8. Now, in second column we have to find vertices. So, faces are 5 and edges are 9. Vertices not given, so we write v as it is. So, 5 minus 9, that is minus 4, because 9 is greater. So, v minus 4 equal 2. So, minus 4 transpose on right hand side. So, we get 2 plus 4, that is 6. So, v equal 6. And now, third one. In third one you have to find number of edges. So, here faces given 20, then vertices given 12. So, 20 plus 12 it becomes 32 and e not given. So, 32 minus e equal 2. Now, we transpose 2 on left hand side. So, it becomes minus and minus e becomes plus e. So, 32 minus 2 it is 30. So, number of edges are 30. So, our table get completed. So, we put the value of faces, vertices and edges in this column. Now, last question of this exercise. So, now last question is, can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices? Means you have to show here ki this type of polyhedron is possible or not when it has faces 10, edges 20 and vertices 15. So, we can check it by using Euler's formula. If left hand side and right hand side both comes equal, then it is verified, otherwise not. So, we put the value in this formula, f plus v minus e equal 2. So, faces are here 10. So, we write here faces 10, vertices are 15. So, 10 plus 15 and edges are given 20. So, 10 plus 15 it is 25 and 25 minus 20 it is 5. So, 5 is not equal to 2. It means left hand side and right hand side both are not equal. So, we have to mention here not equal sign, and since the Euler's formula is not satisfied, therefore, such type of polyhedron is not possible. So, now that's all for today's video. Our 10th chapter get over and this one you have to complete in your notebook. Now, we will meet in next video.